Europe to Madrid, where I'm delighted to be joined by the Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez, a true European friend. Pedro, thank you so much for being with us, and we are eager to hear from you now. You have the floor.
Ursula, por tus palabras. Buenas tardes.
Thank you, Ursula. And good afternoon, everyone from Spain. Let me begin, as I often do, by paying homage to those who have been most adversely affected by COVID-19, those who we've lost their families and loved ones, and of course the frontline staff, and of course those who are keeping vital services up and running at this time. So I'd like to say that, globally speaking, we're going to give those people what they deserve in terms of a response. So the only way, really, forward is to ensure affordable and equitable access to vaccines, therapeutics and diagnostics worldwide. And the good thing is that we have now a plan to achieve that. Now, of course, Spain can but add its name to this initiative in the spirit of cooperation and solidarity, and getting behind, of course, the very important WHO. And the Spanish government will contribute to these efforts. 125 million, 50 million for Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, and we will also be contributing to CEPI as well, the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations. And we have, of course, further commitments made in September, such as the 150 million. We met today by video conference to put forward an ambitious proposal, but we're basing our work on three principles: social justice, necessary social justice, science, of course, and the necessary collaboration between countries, in fact, across the world, to get via vaccines, therapeutics and diagnostics. We have to do the work, but we have to do it correctly. We have to do everything necessary to ensure that we minimize inequality in the face of the pandemic. And we have to ensure that we will come out of the crisis without leaving anyone behind. Scientific research, of course, is underway already, and we have to look at throughout the chain about towards the phase of distribution, the eventual distribution of the outcome. We have to create sustainable, durable structures which will help us to deal with other infections in future, using our experience. Something very important has been revealed here. It's not just we aren't just strong, we're also vulnerable as humans. And the less united we are, the more vulnerable we are. So more than ever now, we have to be united, because we are certainly much, much stronger against the virus together. So you can count on Spain to be in the front line of combating and bringing this disease under control. And I am confident that we will be successful. Thank you.
Pedro. And now we are joined by someone